Hello everyone, welcome back to Mad About Designs. In this tutorial I am going to be showing you how to design this complex shape, or you can say a pattern, using Autodesk Fusion 360. If you rotate the design and see it from other perspective, you can see it is a kind of quadrilateral shape. If you are new to this channel, do subscribe to us and turn on the bell notification so you won't miss any of our new videos. Here are the tools and commands we are going to use in this tutorial. Now without wasting time, let's get into it. First, create a new design by going to Files, select New Design. The unit we're going to use in this tutorial is centimeter. Create a new sketch on the top plane. Go to Line command and draw a horizontal line aligned with the origin of length 10 cm. Under Create, go to Sketch Dimension. Select this point and the origin and give a distance of 5 cm. Finish sketch. Under Construct, create an offset plane. Select the top plane and specify the distance of 2.5 cm. Select the plane and create a new sketch on it. Go to Straight Line command. Select the first point here and give it a length of 6 cm and an angle of 32.5 degrees. Now select the line and the origin and click on midpoint. So the center point will meet at the midpoint of this line. Finish sketch. Under Construction, turn on the visibility of plane 1. Go to Offset Plane again. Select this one and specify a distance of 5 cm. Hide the previous plane. Click on this and create a new sketch on it. Under Create, go to Project. Select the origin. Turn on Projection Link and click OK. Finish sketch. Here we have 3 sketches ready. This line, and this point here. Select this construction line and delete it. Now we're going to repeat the same thing on the opposite side. So click on Offset Plane, select this plane and drag it downward and specify a distance of -2.5 cm. Repeat the same thing. This time select this plane, drag it downward up to -5 cm. Click on this plane and create a new sketch on it. Press P to project. Select the origin and click OK. Finish sketch. Here is the point. Now select this plane and create a new sketch on it. We're gonna draw another line like this one, but in the opposite side. So go to Line command and draw a line of length 6 cm and give it any angle. Delete it and delete this construction line too. Press D to go to Sketch Dimension command. Select this line and this horizontal line and specify an angle of 32.5 degrees. Now select this line and the origin and click on midpoint. Finish sketch. Here we have our base sketches ready. Now create a new sketch on this front plane. We're gonna make a 3D sketch. So check this 3D sketch option. Go to Straight Line command. Here you can see we have a secondary coordinate system. Now select the first point as this one, second point on this line, third point here. Repeat the same steps on the opposite side as follows. Be careful while selecting the points. You can take some time here. Here I have sketched all the profiles. Now go to Sketches, select the sketch 1, click on Shift and select sketch 5. So in between all the sketches will be selected. Right click and select Show or Hide. So it will hide all the previous sketches. Now under Modify, click on Fillet. Select these two edges and apply a fillet distance of 3 cm in between them. Repeat the same step for the remaining 3 corners as follows. Press enter. Here is our sketch profile ready. Finish sketch. Now under Create, go to Pipe. Make sure the chain selection option is not selected. For the path, start selecting all these lines one by one. Make the section circular. You can also turn on the chain selection option and select any of the curve to select the whole profile. Change the section size to 0.5 cm or make it 0.4. We can change the section size anytime. Operation New Body and click OK. Here we have body 1. Now right click on it and copy it. Right click on bodies and paste the body 3 times as follows. So now we have total 4 number of bodies. We're gonna scale 3 bodies among them one by one as follows. Go to Modify and select Scale. For the entity, click on Body 2. Here, turn on the visibility of the origin. For the point, select this origin point and change the scale factor to 0.8. Scale type uniform and click OK. Right click and repeat scale. For the point, select the origin. For the entity, select body 3. Scale factor 0.6 and click OK. Now we need to scale the body 4. So repeat the scale. Point this origin and scale factor 0.45. Press enter. Hide the origin. Here is our bodies ready. You can reduce the thickness in between the bodies by increasing the section size of our body 1. So double click on this pipe option and change the section size to 0.5 cm. Here it is. Now our bodies are ready. Press A to go to Appearance. I'm going to apply this paint metallic, yellow, black, white and red color on them respectively. Here is our complex pattern ready. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this one, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next tutorial. Till then, keep designing and design whatever you love. Bye bye.